Did you know that studies show that up to 90% of investors underperform the market? Crazy, right? But fear not, because today we're diving into The Behavioral Investor by Daniel Crosby, where we'll explore why we make irrational financial decisions and how to overcome them. So, grab your favorite snack, sit back, and let's get started. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of behavioral finance with Daniel Crosby's book, The Behavioral Investor. Now, before we get into the nitty-gritty, let me give you a quick rundown of what you can expect from this video. Understanding behavioral biases. Emotional investing versus rational investing. Building better investment habits. Overcoming common investor mistakes. Host. Alright, let's kick things off with understanding behavioral biases. Crosby delves into the psychological factors that influence our financial decisions, from overconfidence to loss aversion. It's eye-opening to see how these biases can lead us astray, but fear not, because awareness is the first step to overcoming them. Moving on to emotional investing versus rational investing. Crosby explores how our emotions often drive our investment decisions, sometimes to our detriment. By learning to separate our emotions from our investments, we can make more rational choices that align with our long-term goals. Now, let's talk about building better investment habits. Crosby emphasizes the importance of discipline and consistency in our investment approach. Whether it's sticking to a diversified portfolio or avoiding impulsive trades, developing good habits can lead to better financial outcomes. Lastly, let's discuss overcoming common investor mistakes. Crosby highlights some of the most prevalent mistakes investors make, such as chasing returns or succumbing to herd mentality. By understanding these pitfalls, we can take proactive steps to avoid them and stay on the path to financial success. And there you have it, a brief overview of The Behavioral Investor by Daniel Crosby. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, this book offers valuable insights into the fascinating intersection of psychology and finance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. And remember, stay curious, stay informed, and happy investing.